Welcome to our channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also like our Facebook page and follow our Instagram account. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Ngayon we are going to make another made simple recipe, but this will be different dahil hindi ako ang magluluto or magbe-bake. Si Hubby! Hubby, ano mo ba ito?
First time.
Anniversary.
Yeah, this is my anniversary gift for my wife. Anniversary. Yeah, so that's why today ako ngayon magbe-bake for her kasi lagi siya nag-bake. So sumunod ako magbe-bake for her.
Ano yung bake mo ngayon?
I'll be doing a butter sponge cake. Simplified version.
Butter sponge cake made simple. Okay, so before we start, syempre di ba babe, lagi natin i-preheat ang oven. For this recipe, it's 375 degrees. So preheat bago kayo mag-start mag-bake.
Yes.
Okay.
Natin gagawin ang imimix natin ang milk and the egg yolk. And then kapag okay na yung butter ninyo, wala ng mga lumps, and it's already mixed well, we're now going to put 1 cup all-purpose flour. You have to sift it para siya medyo buo. So let's sift the dry ingredients. Tama, babe?
Yeah.
So once okay na yung butter ninyo, it's already mixed well and well combined, no more lumps, we can set it aside para mag-rest for a while we're doing the egg whites. This is our egg white.
Bake natin siya ng 375 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. So, for 25, sa 25th minute niya is i-check nyo na yung cake sa oven kasi all ovens differ in temperature. And try nyo mag-insert ng toothpick. So, when it comes out clean, it's good to go. If not, extend nyo pa ng another 5 to 10 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes.
So we're done. And ngayon we're going to do the vanilla glaze. So now, we're going to pour the milk sa ating powdered sugar. Actually, yung milk na ilalagay ninyo, depende kung kailangan ng powdered sugar ninyo na maging ano siya, runny. Pero pwede kayong mag-add ng milk. Depende sa need ninyo. Hindi naman, ayaw naman natin maging super runny yung glaze, pero ayaw naman natin na parang tawag yan, buo-buo yung pinaka-glaze sugar natin. So, yung 2.5 teaspoon of milk, you can still add more pag kailangan pa. 1 teaspoon of butter. Melted butter. That's what we need. One teaspoon melted butter. We'll show you later the finished product of my butter sponge cake. Simple.
Made simple.
Made simple.
Butter sponge cake made simple with vanilla glaze.
Yes.
So thank you very much for
Thanks,
watching
guys.
and give our video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and
Right here.
yeah, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and like our Facebook page, follow our Instagram account, and until our next vlog, happy eating.
See ya.
Bye.